You use me to show your drawing on paper, printer or speaker.
Ma'am, I did not draw it.
Where do you get the your drawing on the paper? What is that, printer or speaker?
Printer.
Very good. And how do you type letters? With what? Advait, with which device will you type the letters?
Keyboard.
Very good. Yeah, Akshara Reddy. Which device is used to move the mouse pointer on the monitor?
Ma'am,
Which
I
device
can't
is
understand.
which device will you use to move the mouse pointer on the monitor? To move the mouse pointer, which one will you use? Keyboard or mouse?
Mouse.
Yes, why are you thinking that much? Right, very good. Manha.
Yes, ma'am.
Computer works on what? Electricity or sunlight?
Electricity.
Very good. Ayansh. Ayansh. Very disturbance. Okay, Brinda.
Yes, ma'am.
Keyboard is used to listen music. Is it true or false? Unmute. I didn't unmute, ma. Unmute yourself. I can't hear you, Brinda. Tell me. Keyboard is used to listen music. True or false?
No.
Very
False.
good. Yes, yes, very good. Yes, Ketana Raghav Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you press the keyboard keys? Very hardly or gently?
Gently.
Gently means smooth. Smoothly.
Smooth.
Yeah,
Smooth.
smoothly. Very good. Yeah. Now, any two machines in your home which are useful in your daily life? Who will tell this? Ananya, tell me. Don't see here and there. You tell me, Ananya, which any two machines in your home which are useful in your daily life?
What machines madam is asking?
What are the machines which you use in your daily life other than computer? In your home, look at the things at your home.
Washing machine.
One more.
TV.
Okay, very good. Good. Yes. And we should sit very close to the computer. True or false? Srinika? Srinika. Sorry,
Yes,
Swarnika.
ma'am.
Swarnika. We should sit very
Yes, ma'am.
close to the computer. Is it true or false?
False.
Very good. Yeah, Tanvisri, tell me, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
We should keep the computer parts free from dirt and dust. True or false?
False.
Very good.
No.
Oi, oi, oi. We should keep the computer parts free from dirt and dust.
No.
Listen the question properly. We should keep the computer parts free from means we should always clean the computer. Is it true or false?
True.
Yes, good. Hayati. Hayati, answer ma. What happened? Yes ma, Hayati. Why we should eat our lunch in front of the computer? True or false?
False.
Very good. And yeah, which device is used to listen stories and poems? Who will answer this? Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
Which device is used to listen stories and poems? Which part of the yeah?
Speaker.
Very good. Good. Grade 1 students are so intelligent. Very good. And now Ashita. Yes, ma. Ashita, unmute yourself. Okay, she's coming now. Arhan. Yes, Arhan Mohammed.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
To add 5 plus 7 and to get the result as 12, which device is it? Will do that.
CPU.
Very good. Next. To type a letter. Sai Ritvik ready.
Yes, ma'am.
To type a letter, which device will you use?
Keyboard.
Akshara, you are trying to scare me. Yes? I should be scared of you. Yes, good, Ritvik. So, one more thing is like, who will answer this? Yes, Sai Joshit.
Ma'am.
Computer is a man-made thing. True or false?
True.
Very good. Okay. Okay. I think you are all good, right? Shall we write the notes? Yes. Open all your ICT notes, Nana. Classworks. Freshly we will start. Forget about that what you have written in the past. Now we are starting freshly, right? So notes also we will write fresh. Open all your classworks. Open your classworks. ICT classworks, everyone.
Ma'am, ICT class means ICT notebook.
Yeah, yes, ma, notebook only. Yes, Advait, what happened?
What, ma'am?
You raised your hand, that's why I'm asking. Any doubts?
I didn't, ma'am.
Okay, then take out your notes, Nana, everyone. Take out your ICT notes. I'm sharing the screen. You can see the screen, everyone. This theme one, all about myself. We have to write one page, big with big letters.
Ma'am, scrolling up. Up, ma'am, not down.
Okay, the heading you want to write?
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Thank you, ma'am. T H E M E. Team. 1 A L.
If you have doubts, just raise your hands, ma. I'll clear your doubts. Otherwise, just go on writing. After completing, just raise your hands. I will scroll down. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Tell me, Raghava, tell me. Ketana Raghav, what happened? Tell me.
Finish.
Finished, ah? I should scroll down.
Okay, ma'am.
You can write new words. Heading is new words. Write this.
Okay, ma'am. I like.
Here, from here.
First.
C O M P
Write new words heading and write.
C E
చిన్నగా
R. Computers.
One,
1
two.
2
Correct. Second word. Monitor.
Monitor. M Mo U
ఎన్న
N.
N
Mm.
I T E
O.
O R. Monitor.
Third.
C K K Y Key
Mm.
K Y Keyboard. B
Mm.
B O A D bird.
B-O-A-R-D.
Bird.
Yes.
Keyboard.
Perfect.
Yeah, Siddharth, tell me what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I don't have doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Are you all writing? Completed. Shall I go to next page? Yes, ma? Yeah, Ketana, I'll move the understood. You completed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Complete.
I'll scroll down, wait. Now write question and answers. Don't worry, ma. I'll send you in MCP also today. Yes, ma. Akshara, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma. Tell me.
I can't find my computer notebook, ma'am.
Why, ma? Where you kept?
I can't find my notebook.
You can write it any other book and afterwards you can copy it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now you have to write very neatly. Isma, are you all writing? Somebody raise. Yeah, Ritvik ready? Tell me.
Ma'am, is finished.
All finished, ma? Only Ritvik.
All finished.
I'm asking about remaining also. Shall I go to the next one?
Ma'am, I didn't write, ma'am.
Okay, okay, right.
Ma'am, I completed. I'm Sal Joshi.
Okay, done. Quite. Those have completed quite.
Okay, ma'am. Name the different parts of the computer. Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
the different parts of ma'am
Yes, ma. Tell me.
computer are monitor, speaker, CPU, mouse,
Yes.
printer, keyboard. Finished, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Rohit finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay, Nana, shall I go down, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Go down.
Yeah. Next question.
Second question.
Yeah, you can see second question.
Oh,
Differentiate between
Papa.
natural and man-made things. Means differences between natural things and man-made things.
And the paper. Different between natural and man made things. Right, right. Second question, right.
Who is that?
Neatly. Mind lo right.
F.
Sai
Yes.
Joshi, quiet. Swarnika, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. We already wrote this all question and answers, ma'am.
Different.
Again, we should write.
If they have written, it's okay, madam. Means some did not attend classes that time. So for them.
Okay.
If
Okay,
any
okay.
extra are there, you can include in that.
Yeah, first question she has not written.
Okay.
Second question
That's what.
she has written.
Okay. If they have written, no problem. Any extra questions, she can write.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Ketana Raghava Reddy, what is your doubt?
Thank you, sir. Any doubt, ma'am?
No doubt?
Any
Okay.
doubt?
You're asking me, I'm hanged out. I don't have any doubt. Right. Carry on. One minute more, Nana. Don't worry that you have not finished. I will share you in the WhatsApp again. Okay, don't worry. Sorry, in MCB I will share. You can write it. Don't worry that you have not completed. It's 1 minute only is there. I have another class. I think you also have Telugu class, right? So you can join your Telugu class. Okay, ma? It's already time. Continue. Bye. Write the exam well tomorrow. Okay. I'll share you in the MCB the notes. You can carry on. Okay. You can write it. Ananya, take out the pencil from the notes.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.